Assalamualaikum to my panel Dr. Khairul Anwar bin Siddiq and also to my supervisor Sir Nur Azami bin Othman. Today I would like to present about my final year project, which is my title is Car Services Management Application with Geolocations. This is my presentation outline. The first one is introduction, and then problem statement, objective, methodology, design and development, project demonstration, limitation, and recommendations. We start with the introduction first. So the proposed project is an application to help a customer with car breakdown by integrating it with geolocation. This application will use new function called geolocation technology to connect the customer with their mechanic. Geolocation is helpful because it can give exact location of any device or person by Rashid et al. 2019. Which means the customer can assign the mechanic to come over for repair their car with using geolocation function. This application also will be used for customer by managing their car maintenance. It intends to solve the current problem where customer who did not aware about car maintenance can alert with using these applications. Next is the problem statement. The first one is no organized customer information and service provided. Based on informal interview with staff YS Auto, they keep their customer information on a piece of paper. The second one is the customer did not aware about their vehicle maintenance. According to Randy Grady, until delivering their cars to the final assembly line, car designer spent billions of dollars planning, manufacturing, and performing performance. The last one is customer cannot connect well with mechanic in case of car breakdown. No matter when the car breaks down, it can be terrifying experience by Critica Seti 2019. Let's move to the objective. The first objective is to develop the Android-based mobile application that integrated with geolocation. Then the second objective is to evaluate car services management application by using user acceptance tests to improve the user needs in applications. For the methodology, Agile methodology has been used in developing the project. The phase that has been used are starting from planning, analysis, design, development, and the last one is testing. The first phase is planning phase. The planning phase will involve this task, which is feasibility study, to identify the area, define problem statement, define objective, scope, limitation, and significance. Technique for gathering information is based on journal, article, and website. Then, the deliverable project proposal. The second phase is analysis phase. In the analysis phase, there are two activities, which is information gathering and resource gathering, and then functional and non-functional analysis. For information and resources gathering, the technique is study on the previous related work, journal, articles, and website to complete the literature review. And for functional and non-functional analysis, for functional requirement, user can log in the system by using email and password that has been registered on Firebase. Then user can assign the mechanic by giving their exact location in using geolocation API. And the last one, user can manage their car information in the application. And for non-functional requirement, the first one is validation. The application will be showing a title for every phase that have in an application. And then for the security, user can only view and modify their own information, and only admin can view all user informations. And the last one is simplicity. The application will be as simple and user friendly. The next is design phase. In the design phase, the use case is designed by using Modelio, and then the storyboard, sketch, and UI interface are designed by using software such as Figma. The next phase is development phase. In the development phase, the development is using Java Development Kit. Then, the application has been integrated with Geolocation, which is Google Maps API. For the database, it using a Firebase. Then the application it developed to achieve the objective one. And the last phase, which is testing phase, has been undergo the application testing and evaluation testing. For application testing, the technique is using Android device to check the functionality first. After that, evaluation testing is conducted with two types of evaluation, which is heuristic evaluation from expert user and user acceptance test from normal user to check the system functionality. Then the objective 2 is achieved. Next, we move to the project demonstration to demonstrate the applications. Next is recommendation for future works. The first recommendation make the application available on iOS, not just limited to the Android user, but available for iOS as well. The second one is separated the status request. The customer want to know the status that the customer has request, whether accepted or rejected. If the manager application already update the status, it should separate to the history page. Number 3 is use camera function to capture the breakdown car on the customer as a proof. So the manager want to know where the broken part is at the customer cars happen. By using a camera function, the workshop can clearly see the broken part at their car. And the last one is enable the notification alert system to notify the workshop when customer make requests. The last one is limitation. For the limitation, it has two limitations. The first one is only applicable for Android user because of the application are accomplished by using an Android Studio software package. So it disadvantageous for people who are using the iOS phone when they want to use the application, especially for customer that want to request for car breakdown. And the second one is the address of user location cannot fix into one address. So it can be changed based on the latitude and longitude whether the user still stick with the same location. So some of the device cannot detect their location. These are the limitations of the existing application. For overall, that's all I can conclude for this final project presentation. Thank you.